What's up, you guys? What's up, Trash Talk Nation? Ah! That's my first time saying that. I actually really like it. Today we are here with an unboxing. Now, y'all already know when I get into the unboxings, there's always a story behind it. So there's not much of a story behind this one, but I went and opened it already because I got so nervous. Okay, so if this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that like button. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join the Trash Talk Nation. Oh my God, I get so excited every time I say that. Join the Trash Talk Nation and let's get into this video. So, Beyonce's concert is coming up and I honestly don't have an idea. I have no clue of what I'm wearing. But I did see an item that I had to get because they went on sale. What was the original price? So let's see the original price. So the original price was $955. They went on sale for half the price. So I had to get them. I ain't even gonna show you that. I'm gonna show you here. Of course, one of my favorite shoe companies, Rick Owens Dark Shadow. This box is so big. I'm gonna use this as my thumbnail. So before we get into this box, I want to show you the two past Dark Shadow shoes I have. Ooh, this is a little beat up. I needed to wash them, but this is the original. This is my first Dark Shadow pair. I actually like them a little grungy and dirty. I love the thick laces. I say these shoes give me about 2-3 inches, maybe like 2 inches taller than what I normally am, so that's always a plus. And then I have these bad boys, which these are also my favorite. The newer one is almost like a combination of the two. Imagine this, but this like height on the shoe. Let's just get into the box. Who am I kidding? Let's just jump into it. Bam. Whoa. Obviously the box comes with the Dark Shadow bag, which I keep these. I love these. And this is the shoe. So look at the height difference. It's not as tall as these, because these are, as you can see, super tall. And then these are like kind of like midway through. However, y'all, my heart dropped to my butt when I received the package because I was like, I wonder if my calves are gonna fit. My calves barely fit in those ones. So with these, I did open the box. I honestly have to unbuckle every single one of these. These things are like military boots, so I had to unbuckle it so I can put it on and then zip it up and then lace it up. It's a whole lot. It's honestly a lot, but I'm gonna have to make it work. I don't know if I'm wearing jeans. If I wear jeans, the jeans are obviously gonna go over the shoe and it's just gonna be pretty much this part being shown, which is okay because I needed an all black shoe, so I'm honestly not too worried about the jeans covering it. I would like to show the entire shoe, so I may have to find like some utility shorts or something to wear, but I'm not too sure yet. So yeah, but I have to unbuckle the whole shoe to put my fucking foot in just to get it. I honestly thought about it after I purchased it too. These are 41 and I wear a 41 in all shoes. So like my Lanvins are 41, my Balenciagas are 41, and every single pair of my Rick Owens are 41. I really didn't want to get a 42 because I don't even know if they had one available. And two, I didn't want the shoe itself to be big. I just needed this part to be big. But when I think about it, I could definitely wear like an extra pair of socks or something in there. But yeah, I'm gonna do a lace up for you guys so that way you can see what it's gonna either look like with jeans on and also with shorts. Yeah, I'll do that for y'all. I'll find some way to lace them up with shorts and then with jeans. But yeah, I'm really glad I got these because I really needed an all black shoe. And although it's not a typical all black shoe, I probably won't be able to wear this with everything, but it's gonna have to go with a lot, or pretty much whatever I can make it go with. But the fact that they're laced up like this combat boot, I really feel it's like a very militant shoe. It's very sexy, it's very avant-garde, it's very like punk rock emo type. I don't know, I'm just obsessed with Rick Owens. I kind of just want to like, between Rick Owens and Yeezys, I could wear these for the rest of my life. I'll keep buying them. They keep coming out with nice colors and nice shoes, and I just love how simple they are. They are like still kind of unique. Look at that zipper. Like, what the hell? Look at the detail and look how long this zipper is. And look at all these buttons. Like, if it's not giving sexy military combat daddy, I don't know what the hell it's giving. It's definitely giving that. But I'm just really happy I snagged these at half price because now that's $1,000. And to be honest, I put them on Klarna. Don't be afraid to use your Klarna or Afterpay. Hey, you can pay it in monthly payments. So now I'm paying like what, $120 a month versus the whole outright fee, and I'm not getting charged any extra. And I got free expedited shipping with Essence. Yeah, By the way, if y'all not using Essence, especially when they have their big sale, which is like 30 to 70% off, it is amazing. It is amazing. I love that all orders come within 2 to 3 days if it's over $300, which most of my orders are over $300. But if it's not, it's still like maybe like 3 or 4 days. The Express is somewhat not any different from the original, except it's just free when it's over $300. But yeah, this video is pretty simple. I ain't gonna hold y'all too long. I wanted to show you guys what shoe I may wear to the Beyonce concert. I have no clue. So y'all pray for me. Pray that I have an outfit. Pray that I come up with something. I'm gonna have to come up with something. If I don't, I honestly don't mind just wearing these with some jeans and a black shirt and calling it a day, because I'm gonna need a shoe that's gonna be comfortable, durable, and fun. I already know they're comfortable because the other ones are comfortable. These are just a little higher. So hopefully, I don't think that would be so much of a problem. If the laces come out, then I'm gonna have an issue, because who is gonna lace all this up at a concert? Not me. I'm gonna have to just be walking around with shoes unlaced. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Trash Talk Nation, sound off in the comment. I need all y'all to drop pound Trash Talk Nation in the comments and drop some black hearts. Let's see how, let's see who really F with the kid. And if you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Click the link in these videos or the cards so that way you can catch up on all my past videos. Don't forget to drop a comment, share some love, and yeah, stay tuned for the try on. I'm out.